Donald Trump is once again in the spotlight, but now it's not about real estate, it's about semiconductors. His administration has just converted nearly $11 billion in federal funding, mainly from the CHIPS Act, into a roughly 9.9% equity stake in Intel, making the U.S. government its largest shareholder. There's also a warrant allowing an additional 5% stake if Intel's foundry arm drops below 51% ownership. On the surface, it might sound like a patriotic rescue, cash for ailing Intel and a boost for domestic chip production. But analysts warn it won't fix the company's chronic problems, like poor yield rates on its 14A process or the lack of external customers, which are crucial for profitability. And let's not forget the drama. Just weeks before, Trump had publicly called for the resignation of Intel's CEO, Lip-Bu Tan, over alleged ties to Chinese firms. Then things turned politically strategic. After a White House meeting, Trump reversed course, calling Tan a very nice man and framing this equity deal as a win for U.S. interests. But this isn't a classic government bailout. The government secured its shares at a 17.5% discount, received non-voting shares, and has no board representation. That raises questions. Who's steering the ship and who's benefiting? It's also part of a broader trend. Tech firms like NVIDIA and AMD are agreeing to revenue-sharing deals in China in exchange for export access. And SoftBank recently added another $2 billion lifeline to Intel's coffers. So, did Trump save Intel? Not really. The money may provide temporary support, but nothing changes the fact that Intel urgently needs paying customers and better chip yields. Without those, even billions in funding won't be enough to revive its foundry business. For now, this equity swap is more about politics and the optics of keeping Intel alive than turning the company around. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button.